is so fast, he can keep adding any number to itself 36 times in 15 seconds. And it looks like this.
Ready?
Yes.
21
Plus
46
plus
73
plus
86
plus
62
plus
24
plus
96
plus
113
plus
104
plus
139
plus
178
plus
191
plus
142
plus
123
plus
137.
1535.
Oh my god, you got it right.
Third grade, Scott wasn't paying attention in math class. So, to punish him, his teacher called him to the board and asked him to solve a math question. But instead of getting into trouble, he got the correct answer without preparation. So, the teacher gave him another math problem and he got the right answer again.
So I just added up the column of numbers going down the columns backwards and just said the answer out loud. And she was like, "You're right, but where's your carry? How'd you do that?" And I